Nofri, hello, welcome in a new lecture of the lectures of the Coptic language. In today's lecture, we'll talk about the plural form of the noun. The singular in Coptic language usually indicated by U in front of the noun. The plural in Coptic is indicated by adding han in front of indefinite noun and ni and nin in front of definite noun. There is a small number of irregular plurals. For example, we say U ishimi, it means a woman. If we want to make it plural, we turn the U into han and it becomes han hiomi. The word ishimi is irregular in plural and turns into hiomi. U romi, it means a man. Han romi, it means men. It's a regular plural, and the word remains the same as it is a regular plural. Another word, ep emi, it means the science or the knowledge. Ni emi, it means the sciences. Here it's a definite article, indicates a singular masculine. We used ep emi, and we wanted to turn into plural. We keep the word as is, and the ep turns into ni emi. Et afe, it means the head. Et the afe, head, feminine word. Want to make it plural. Afe owi is a irregular plural, and we turn the et into ni. In the same way, han Ginea by itself is a singular. We use the word as plural. We alternate it plural by adding han in front of it. Enti nanshiri, enti it means of, nen it means the, shiri it means sons, inni romi of the people or the persons. There are irregular nouns in plural around 180 nouns. There is a list of them. If you go to the website archive.org details Coptic language, you'll find a file word containing a list of 183 words, all irregular. There are some examples of, like avot, it means months, avit, months, yot means father, yoti, fathers, kate means other, keooni means others, menrit, beloved or dear, menrati, beloved, save means wise, savev, it means wise people. This is the end of today's lecture about singular and plural form of the noun, and thanks for until we seeing you in the next lesson. Hoşe mot, thanks. Shana verotein khin bi oshit neo. Until seeing you in next lesson.